So I want to talk about environments and what that adds. I think it adds a broad range of options to a variety of users. So for your casual user that's just using it for mindfulness and just creating interesting scenes, you can create your own custom environment. For your architectural, landscape, film, any other user that needs an immersive design that they've created, or they want to preview their content inside a contextual scene, environments is going to work really well for them. In essence, an environment is an enclosing scene in which you build your own content. Take a look so you can get a better idea of what environments does for STAGEit.
This is the snowscape we have, which is available from the STAGEit asset library. So if I open up the asset panel, you can see that I've got a few things in the scene. So I've got the environment, I've got a rocket, so I can turn that off. I've got a sun, which is somewhere. Let's see where I can see it. Oh, it's up there. Let's bring it down a bit. Maybe put it over there. I can turn that off. And then I have the environment itself. So I'm going to go ahead and open an empty scene, and I'm going to show you how you can add an environment to this scene. So you add an asset as normal, and you've got a new tab here, option environment, which I'm going to select. There are 3 places from which you can add a scene: the STAGEit asset library, existing scenes in the STAGEit app, so these can be other scenes, or files that you've stored, so STAGEit files that you've exported or somebody else has exported and sent to you. Let's look at the STAGEit library as the first option. So there's the snow scene that we've already looked at, and there is the mountain scene. I'm going to go ahead and add that. And there we are. We have this awesome looking mountain scene. And so this scene is made up of a skybox and a very, very large scale model. So you can explore this. If I was in an open space, I could walk around and explore this. So ways in which you can enhance this: you can add a light, and the sun is always an excellent thing to add. And I think let's put it where the sky is brightest. Maybe there. Now I think we need to change its color a little bit. So let's go to properties, bring that a bit closer. Let's make it golden. There we go, that's a bit better. A little bit brighter. Not too bright. Let's get shadows as well turned on. So now I have this lovely golden sunset on these mountains. So that's really, really nice.
So that's environments. Really interested in seeing how that's going to get used, and any feedback, comments below. Thanks for your time.